So with the new multi-select dropdowns, I discovered a bug recently when you try to select an option and you get this error message saying it violates the data validation rules. So I discovered the reason for this, and it's if there is a space after the text of any of the options that results in error. So if we go and delete this, we can come back here and now we can select this just fine. So if we reset this and add a space on 1 and 3, we can't select 1 or 3, and we can only select 2. And obviously that is a very suboptimal workflow in any case. So if you have potentially space after multiple, the fastest way to do this is in the menu under data. So let's go ahead and select this column real quick just by clicking on C or whatever column it is for you. And then under data, go to data cleanup and then trim white space. And that will remove the white space from all of your options. And at this point, then they will all work for you.